Whole food is food eaten in its natural state, without processing, and with all its vital nutrients intact. It's the difference between an apple and apple pie, a baked potato and a potato chip, or chicken nuggets and a chicken breast. Switching to a diet comprised of whole foods gives you many benefits. Improve your mood. Beyond just affecting weight, eating highly processed foods can have negative effects on your energy, mood, and the functionality of your brain. Eating a diet primarily composed of these foods can cause you to lose energy and become stressed, irritable, or angry. Cutting these foods out and replacing them with whole foods can help to provide you with more energy and a much improved mood. Lower your risk of heart disease. By consuming more vegetables, whole grains, and fruit, you can introduce more fiber into your diet, which researchers have found to greatly reduce your risk of heart disease. Lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A diet rich in real whole food can help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which is at epidemic levels and primarily caused by junk food-loaded diets and obesity. Strengthen your bones. Your body needs vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium to help nurture your bones. And those found in whole vegetables absorbs into the body faster and enters your system quicker. Eating whole food makes it easier to eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in whole food makes it easy to eat a well-balanced diet, which promotes good health and vitality. Healthy weight management. Eating a diet rich in whole food eliminates processed and junk food that is loaded with added fat, sugar, and calories. Eating clean with whole food allows you to enjoy lots of natural and nutrient-dense foods so you can manage your weight, lose weight, and eat better on the whole. Improve your sleep. Eating highly processed foods can make it difficult to fall asleep, stay asleep, and get quality rest. Introducing more whole foods into your diet can help you achieve quality sleep each night and wake up feeling well-rested and ready to face your day. Improve skin health. Highly processed foods and foods high in grease, fats, or sugars can cause your complexion to worsen and can actually cause you to break out more often. Introducing more whole foods into your diet provides you with key nutrients for all natural skin health. More energy. Whole foods have all the nutrients you need to thrive and enjoy lots of physical and mental energy to get through your busy days. Lengthen your life. Highly processed foods aren't good for you and can, little by little, harm your health, cause obesity, and various diet-related chronic diseases. Introducing more whole foods into your diet can help to lengthen your life by improving your nutritional profile and therefore greatly improving your health.
Ten Pillars of Eating Clean. What you eat has the power to change your health and overall well-being for the better, or if your diet is filled with processed junk food, for the worse. Follow these 5 pillars of clean eating to adopt a healthy, well-balanced lifestyle and enjoy a positive relationship with food. Go whole. Eliminate processed and junk food from your diet and choose whole foods with every meal and snack. Whole food is unprocessed and eaten in its natural state. It is highly nutrient-dense and should be the center of every meal. Too much or too little of anything is not healthy, even with foods that are good for you. Moderation is key. Keeping a food diary helps you be mindful of what types of food you usually eat. Then, after a week, you'll be able to recognize which foods keep you full longer and which foods spike up your blood sugar levels, leaving you sluggish and unable to focus. Think of food as nutrition. Looking at food as a way to fuel our bodies and minds, rather than as vessels of pleasure, will give you perspective for healthier eating and allow you to respect your body and therefore improve what you put into it. Stop counting calories because you are more than just a series of calories, nutritional values, or a number on a scale. Learn to value yourself and boost your self-esteem by establishing lasting and profound dietary habit changes. Love your fats. Fat is an essential macronutrient which we can't live without. The key is choosing the right fats in the right amounts. Whole foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil are all great fat choices. Say bye to diets and begin to enjoy a healthy lifestyle by being smart about the choices you make. Don't follow some fad diet for several weeks only to regain the weight you lost. Instead, choose to follow a clean eating lifestyle instead of another diet. Start each meal with foods lowest in calories, which will make you eat less of foods higher in calories. Salads, soups, and fruit are all good choices. Plan your plate with something from all major food groups, including fruit, grains, vegetables, and lean protein. A well-balanced lifestyle means eating from a variety of whole foods from each group. Be mindful of each bite. Eating in a rush usually means we end up eating far more than we should. So focus on your food, how it tastes, how it smells, and how it makes you feel. Enjoy it. Revel in healthy eating. Be aware of how good it feels to treat your body right and fill it only with real, whole, and highly nutritious food.